today we're gonna be back with another video, and today's gonna be a soccer cleat unboxing. And so yeah, let's get started. Yeah, obviously it's gonna be Nike, so yeah, let's get started. Alright, here they are, guys. It's the new Nike Mercurial Super 5.5s. And yeah, I really like the color on these shoes, like with the laser orange and stuff. It's really cool, the dynamic fit collar. Yeah. And guys, what Nike did is that they did a new Flyknit on the kids version. As you guys can see, this is ACC Flyknit right there, like right next to it. Nike did the new Flyknit on the kids version, which was pretty nice of them. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And guys, then later on, you guys are gonna see me do a review on these. I'm probably gonna do a review on these in a couple of days. I'm probably also gonna do a review on my Nike Mercurial, the Superflies, the CR7s, the Chapter 4s, and yeah, and I mean, that's pretty much all I gotta say. And you guys are gonna see these on feet in 3, 2, 1. Go. So guys, here they are. I have them on feet right now. They're really comfortable, to be honest. They're really nice. So yeah. So yeah, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.